welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I am not sure if this is going to be an unboxing for 1 or 2 different subscription boxes. I am waiting for my Ipsy to arrive, and I don't know if it's going to arrive before I have to go to work because I'm going to be working over the break and I'm going to have 0 time to film during the day. So I'm not going to get in. I'm pre-filming everything before my holiday schedule starts, which it starts like the 21st of December, and then I work basically until classes start back up and I have to report back to the university. And yeah, I'm going to be working every day and there's just not going to be time to film. So I'm doing my Macy's. Hopefully I'll add Ipsy in. We'll see if it comes. Once again, this month we did not get a bag. Actually, there was supposed to be a bag. Is that supposed to be? I need to look. There was supposed to be a bag with this month's box, and after talking to customer service a few different times and to different people, they are supposed to send me a $5 certificate. The Macy's website. I'll try to update you, but I did not get one in the box, that's for sure. The first thing I saw is this giant thing, and I did unwrap it because it just makes life a little faster. And I got a silicone makeup drop. It has sparkles in it, like there are sparkles in there. I just love my beauty blender and I'm not really willing to try anything else at this point. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway or pass along pile because I really don't need it or really have interest in trying to use it. I should mention this month we did get a $10 off coupon, which is very exciting. I will always use a $10 off coupon because there's always something I want at Macy's. That retails for $20, that silicone sponge. And then I got this. They had to substitute one of the things. Not really sure what it is, but we're gonna see. Then I have Caroline Herrera, Good Girl. I do have this set already. I bought it right away because it is that gorgeous shoe. I do have like a couple different versions of the shoe as well. It retails for $117 for the 2.7 ounce. It's a pretty good scent. It's not my favorite scent, but the bottle is really what I love about it. Then we have Invictus by Paco Rabanne. That's the men's scent. It 3.4 ounces retails for $96. Not interested in that, obviously. Then the next thing I got, I actually tried one of these because I got right back from Thanksgiving break and I had all of these boxes waiting for me. And I had grabbed the Macy's box and my hot water heater went out, which was really, really awful. Like, I turned it up because I had to turn it down for vacation, turned it up, and it started working, got in the shower, and like, I turned the hot water all the way up. It wasn't quite warm enough. And I was like, well, that's weird. And then the next morning it was icy cold and then it never kicked on. I went to look at the pilot light, it wouldn't light. And I did, I turned it off, waited, did all of the stuff. And then it just started beeping that there was something wrong with it and it needed service. And then they're like, well, we can replace that, but that's $400 repair. But we just recommend, buying a new $1,400 one because once one thing goes out, everything's gonna go out. And I'm like, are you serious? Then a second repairman came out the next day and it's working. So fingers crossed that it continues working because, it's not even 10 years old. And it makes me so mad that things do not last anymore because the one that we had before lasted for like 30 years before it went out. And now this isn't even 10 years. Anyway, long story short is that I decided before I went home, I was going to like wash my face and do all of the stuff that I could at my office. And I have like face wash and stuff, but I didn't have any serums, anything. So I did use one of these from Elizabeth Arden and I did like it. That was the whole point of my story, is that I tried one of these and I did like it. I really liked the other stuff from Elizabeth Arden, the other ceramide capsules that I've gotten. These are vitamin C, which this is a great way to do vitamin C because it keeps it stable. And I haven't tried the retinol ones yet, but I'm looking forward to them. So this retails for $84 for 60 of them. So that's 2 months supply for $84. Not too shabby actually. And this capsule is really big enough that you could do it on your neck and chest too. Maybe not your full chest, but there was enough to go down my neck as well, which made me happy. I really like those. I'm considering getting more of those. So far all of these things are in here. Then we have from Pure, this is a highlighter in the shade Afterglow. And of course it's not open. I was really trying not to chip my nails trying to open this because I just painted them last night. Of course I got like a microscopic chip. All right, so this is a perfecting powder. It sounds like they're saying it's a bronzer, but it's definitely a highlighter. That's pretty. I think that's nice. Well, I'll definitely use it. I love highlighters. We all know this. This powder is the perfect bronze shade to flatter all skin tones. What? It also infused with antioxidants to help your skin glow even when the makeup comes off, and get sun-kissed, yes, even in the middle of winter. Doesn't that sound like what you would think a bronzer does instead of a highlighter? Anyway, that's that one. That retails for $26 for a full size. Then the next thing I have here is a Grande Lips Lip Plumper Midnight Shimmer Gloss. So this might be what was substituted. It looks like this was originally supposed to be the shade Sparkling Sangria. I don't think I probably would have used that shade either because I am on an anti-lip gloss right now. I'm not opening any new lip glosses. I'm passing along anything that I get in a box. There might be an exception, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to pass that one along because that's not something I will use. And that retails for $25. That is a full size. So we did get 2 full size items in this box. It is $15 a month. So between the 2 full-size items and the $10 gift certificate, I think that's really good. Actually, this is probably a full size too. This is a Galactic full size, yep, this one's full size, 3-in-1 Sparkle Balm. It retails for $17. Apply underneath a lip gloss as a topper over your liquid lipstick or the lip sparkle on its own. You know what? I think I'm going to not swatch this one either. I'm not sure how much I would use it. And I think I know, younger people who would probably use it more. I'm going to pass that one along. So this was, I did get 3 full-size things that I'm not going to keep, but I still feel like I got my money's worth because I did get a highlighter. I love highlighters. This ceramides are I really like, and I'm excited to get more of them to try. You can send me Elizabeth Arden skincare any day. I really like it. I just think it's underused. And then the $10 off certificate, this paid for my box very easily. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, and hopefully you'll see Ipsy coming up right now.